In this video, we will discuss how photosynthesis takes place. Photosynthesis completes into two steps. One is known as light reaction and second is known as dark reaction. Dark reaction. And light reaction takes place in granum of chloroplast and dark reaction takes place in stroma of chloroplast. Stroma of chloroplast. Understood all of you? So that two processes completes into chloroplast, and behind this process mechanism is there. Understood? So in this video we will discuss how mechanism of photosynthesis takes place. In mechanism of photosynthesis, two steps are there. One is known as light reaction and second is known as dark reaction. First see how light reaction takes place. Light reaction in first step of photosynthesis. In light reaction, in first step of photosynthesis, in light reaction, three processes takes place. Number one is activation of energy. Activation of energy. In first step of light reaction, first process which takes place, that process is activation of energy. Understood all of you? And as I taught you, plants take their energy from the sun. So plants take light energy and convert this light energy into chemical energy. Understood? But how plants convert this light energy into chemical energy? So first, you all are knowing that in leaves chlorophyll is present. Chlorophyll is present. So when light falls on the surface of the leaves, listen it carefully, when light falls on the surface of leaves, by the falling of the light activate the chlorophyll which is present inside the leaf. Understood all of you? So by the reaction of light, this chlorophyll start to work. So first step is known as activation of energy. In activation of energy, sunlight react with chlorophyll. Understood all of you? Sunlight react, or you can say sunlight falls on the surface of the chlorophyll and activate the chlorophyll. And when chlorophyll activated, by the activation of chlorophyll, like as you all are sleeping in your room, understood all of you, your mother came quickly and start to shout on you, and quickly you all get up, and this way you all are activated. So this happens, in same process happened with the chlorophyll also. When sunlight falls on the surface of leaves, by the falling of sunlight activated chlorophyll which are present in the leaves in deactivated form. When light falls on the surface of chlorophyll, light activate the chlorophyll, and by the activation of chlorophyll release energy in the form of electron. Understood all of you? So first step, that in light reaction takes place, and the first step of light reaction is activation of energy. So this way chlorophyll activate, and by the activation of chlorophyll, energy release in the form of electron. Understood all of you? And this energy which is released in granum, that energy which is released in granum, and where these processes takes place, this process takes place in granum. Just now I told that light reaction takes place in granum. So energy which is released, that goes into the granum, and in granum adenosine ADP molecules are present, and the full form of ADP is adenosine diphosphate. You can say the phosphate molecules are present in granum, and these phosphate molecules react with energy which is released by the activation of chlorophyll, and conversion of these diphosphate molecules now takes place in the form of ATP. And what is the full form of ATP? ATP means adenosine triphosphate. Understood all of you? So here in granum, energy is present in the form of ATP, and this energy is required. Energy, you all are knowing that we need energy. Why? To perform all the work. So plants also require energy to perform all the physiological processes, and this energy plants get in the form of ATP. And how this ATP is formed? This ATP is formed by the combination of energy which is released by the activation of the chlorophyll. Understood all of you? So first step which takes place in light reaction is known as activation of energy. So in activation of energy, light falls on the surface of leaves, or you can say light falls on the surface of chloroplast. In chloroplast, chlorophyll is present, and by the falling of light, okay, chlorophyll become activate, and when chlorophyll become activate, release energy, and this energy goes into granum, and in granum phosphate molecules are present, and this energy combined with phosphate molecules and form ATP. And this ATP, what is the full form ATP? Again I am telling you all, please note down in your copy. The full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate, and all need energy in the form of ATP. So plants also require energy in the form of ATP, and that ATP formed by the addition of ADP, adenosine diphosphate, combined with energy and form ATP. Understood all of you? So first step is known as activation of energy. After activation of energy, second step is known as photolysis of water. Second step is known as photolysis of water. All the things which I am telling here are the things which I am explaining here. You all please note down in your copy. Understood all of you? So this way you all have to make your notes in your copy. So in again I am repeating, photosynthesis completes into two steps. One is known as light reaction, second is known as dark reaction. Light reaction takes place in granum, dark reaction takes place in stroma. And in light reaction, steps are there. First step is known as activation of energy, and second step is known as photolysis of water. So second step that I will teach you in my next video.